Boys Kids Toys TV. I'm Izat. So this is the car that has we collected. We got it because of our so much points. We got it from Fan City. So let's
You will
unbox.
try to unbox now. Box it. Okay. Turn. Wait. Slowly. Izat, we need your help here. Oh, so there is already battery. We charge already. So this how it's look like. It's outdoor.
Can go and sun?
Yep, we will try. Wait. Okay, we will try. Now you can open it. See, there is a light inside of it.
It's cool.
Let's
put
see
it here.
how is it speed.
Where's the remote?
The box.
Here.
This is the remote. So the remote control is this one. Okay. Oops. No. You have to on. Okay. Wait. So try. Oh, see the speed of this. Wow. Okay. So what do you think? Okay. Move. Now press that one also. Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Kuya, you want to try the new car? Wow, this is the other one, the Raptor Ford. So we try all together. Wow, still bigger the Raptor. Wow. Oh. It's work in the sun. Omar, start. Wow. And it's moving, guys. But it's little bit slow. It's stuck. Oh, see? It's great. It's doing well. Wow. Reverse, baby. Wow. It's okay. Wow. How do you think about the performance of this new remote control? 9 out of 10. What is 900 out of 9? Oh, try. If you can jump. Oh, wow. Wow. Versus. Oh. RAV4 out challenges for the Raptor and the off-road Spiderman. Go and go! Oh. Also, he do pretty good performance. He stuck that one. Oh. Both of them, they stuck on the stone, but it's great. You together. for the
If
new.
you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button. And thanks for watching. Bye.
What the rate of this one? The off-road car, the new off-road car.
Wow.
What is the
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? How about you, Omar? What rate for you? 10 out of 10? He's perfect because he is going to the rock. How about you? Your off-road?
Time for this rock.
Yes.
Smallest rock.
Okay.